To set photo as a keyboard theme on the Redmi Pad 2nd generation, start by opening Settings. Next you will have to scroll down on the left side and go for Additional Settings. Right now move for Languages and Input, select Manage Keyboards, and now go for a Gboard. Over here select Theme, click on the plus, and now go to your photos and pick the photo that you want to set as your keyboard theme. Just click on it once. As you can see, in my case it's some kind of the lag issue, so we can try to do this one more time. So as you can see, still I'm unable to do this, but let's try to rotate device like so. Maybe it's gonna let us work right now. No, as you can see, it's still not working, so probably we'll have to restart our device. But basically, once you actually select your photo, you can pick that photo, so you can zoom in or zoom out to simply set the specific part of the photo as your keyboard theme.